Hi there, here we have the 2017 Nissan QASHQAI. This is the 1.2 TEKNA 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. So as you can see, it does have the front parking sensors. Front bumper is nice and clean, there is no scuffs on the bumper. Let's have a look at the bonnet as well. There is no chips on the front bonnet. Usually it is quite common for the bonnet and the front bumper to have the chips. However, that is not the case. Let's have a look at the alloys. Very nice and clean alloys. Just to confirm, this is the one owner from new with full Nissan service history. Rushmores have done a full service on the vehicle and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Also got the rear parking sensors. And as you saw there is no scuffs on the back bumper. Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's all included within the price of the car. There is the you do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is with the RAC. We highly recommend this at Rushmore's. So if there is any more information, if you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then not a problem at all. We can definitely give you more information once you come down in the showroom, or if you wanted to, or if you wanted an email or phone call about it, not a problem at all. Let's have a look inside the car as well. Right, so as you can see so far on the front passenger door, nice and clean. Let's have a look at the dash. I know the dash is nice and clean in this car. There is no scratches on the dash or on the screen. It's also got the full leather seats, so with the leather there is no tears or anything onto the leather, so nice and clean, everything as it should be. There is also the panoramic roof, which there is the blind on it at the moment. So at the back you do also have the privacy glass, so you've got the tints. So once again, the leather at the back as well, it is nice and clean. There is no tears on the leather. It does also have the ISOFIX. The car is smoke free and pet free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Let's have a look at the boot as well. So just before I show you the boot, as you can see here, that's the rear camera. So once you put the car in reverse, the camera on the screen will pop up, which I'll show to you once we go inside the car. As you can see, it's got the parcel shelf, so once again it is nice to have for privacy. Let's have a look at the back once more. So as you can see, there is the leather as well. There is the stitching, as you can see, on the leather. So everything as it should be. Right, let's jump on the driver's side now. It is quite common to have scratches on the driver's side door. So once again, it's not the case with this car. It is nice and clean. It does have the electric windows and door mirrors, and they are the folding door mirrors as well. Okay, right, so steering wheel nice and clean. Yeah, there is the lane assist, the traction control, the eco and the auto stop start. Just got the leather gear knob, electric parking brake. So as you can see, everything nice and clean. There is no scratches on the dash. Heated seats as well. So that's your heated seats. What I'll do is I'm going to start the car. There is the start button, and I'm going to put it in reverse just so I can show you guys the rear camera. Does have the climate control with the aircon. Does also have the auto lights. Not sure if you can see that up perfect. There's the auto lights as well. It's got the sat nav. Got the sat nav. You've got the, if I go onto camera, then you've got the camera. You basically got a 360 view on that. That's that. It's got also the Bluetooth phone and audio, so you can connect your phone and play music, or if you wanted to make calls, then you can definitely do that as well. If I was to stick the car in reverse, as you can see here, there's the reversing camera, and you also do have the 360 view. What I'm doing, I'm just going to open the sunroof, just the blind. I'm going to take off the blind, and then once I jump out the car, I'll show you the panoramic roof. So as you can see, there's the panoramic roof. It is, it doesn't open, so it's just the panoramic roof. It doesn't, you know, it's not opening. But still very nice to have. Does also have the roof rails. So just to finish off the video there, just quickly, before we finish it off actually, it is a one owner from new, as I mentioned before, with full main dealer service history. Rushmore's have fully serviced the vehicle at when it came in, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes within the price of the car. If you wanted finance arranging, or if there is any questions about the car, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Alright, thanks for watching.